At Wexler Surgical, we offer a variety of instruments with a spring handle. In this video, you will learn the proper way to disassemble surgical instruments with a spring handle for cleaning, and also how to prevent the spring feature from bending. First, pick up the instrument by the spring handle with your dominant hand holding the side with a clasp. With the thumb of your dominant hand, lightly push the spring arm inward and gently twist the spring clasp into a diagonal position inside the lock. Separate the instrument handles in one motion. The instrument is now ready for thorough cleaning. In order to close, align the clasp in a diagonal position in the lock, insert through the aperture, and release. Instruments can be placed on a sterilization tray with the spring open or closed. In a world of precision, we're on the cutting edge.